Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to Peacock Way. Thank you for joining me. In today's project, I'm using these distress mica sprays and dilution shimmer spray. I'm using this watercolor paper and I have already gessoed it. So I'm adding like two colors of sprays. Then I'm spraying some water. Now I'm going to dry everything. Now I'm going to spray again on the top. Then I'm going to spray some water and heat it again. I'm trying to put it in layers. So now I'm using the other color and I'm going to do the same way. Spray some water and blend everything. And then I'm going to heat it and dry it. Then I'm going to use the same distress oxide mica spray and splatter on that and heat that also. Now I'm going to splatter another uh, spray color. And then I'm going to heat up everything. And I'm putting another layer on the top and uh, spraying some water. And then I'm going to repeat the same way. And I'm going to spread it out using my brush. I'm taking a paper towel and taking out all the excess paint on the top. Now I'm going to put the stamp. I'm using archival ink. Now I'm going to use the circle stamp. Then now I'm using Tim Holtz stamp. Now I'm using this blue acrylic paint and I'm going to splatter on the top. Before I splatter black paint, I'm just going to dry it and then I'm going to use this black paint and splatter on the top. And I'm using this cap and I'm putting white paint. I'm going to dry everything. So I'm going to color this butterfly. I'm using watercolor paint. Now I'm using this stamped flowers as a focal point and I'm going to stick that. Now I'm going to stick these butterflies. Now I'm going to use this Posca pen, and I'm going to just draw on that and make it darker. Now I'm going to stick the coat, and this finishes my project. I hope you liked it and got inspired. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the like button and leave your comments below. So I will see you in my next project. Have a nice day. Bye.